In this lesson, I'll show you how to use Sketchup Pro's Symmetryy tool. Drawing in Symmetryy allows you to draw mirrored images by drawing only one side along an axis. To begin, we're going to create a pot of flowers. What I'd like you to do is to press down on your Shift key on your keyboard, position your cursor to the middle of your axis line, and drag it out to the left. And you see the Symmetryy tool at work. We'll go ahead and create another one just below it. Let's go down a ways and create another one, maybe a little bit longer, and create another one down below it, just a little bit shorter. Okay, now while your Shift key is still held down, let's go ahead and create one vertical line and another one just about right there, midpoint. Okay, let's go ahead and lift up on our Shift key. While our pencil is still selected, we're going to go ahead and create a diagonal line to meet up with those two marks that we made, and we'll create another diagonal line right here. Take our eraser tool. You see how our eraser tool works in Symmetryy? Let's go ahead and select our pencil tool, hold down our Shift key, create some horizontal lines to give our pot some character. Now let's go ahead and take our move and zoom tool. Let's zoom a little bit down so we can now create some roses. So let's create roses by creating a series of spiral lines and then some nice curvy lines. Create the body of our flower or the petals. And let's create another one over here. Let's move out a little bit to give ourselves some room for the leaves. We'll create one more down below. Next what we're going to do is create the leaves. And the last part we're going to do is draw our stems, starting from the ones in the back. You see how the Symmetryy tool works? It just allows us to draw only on one side of our axes to create a mirrored image. Now to complete this drawing, let's go ahead and go back to our toolbox and select the marker tool. Make sure we have the black ink. And as a double check, let's go ahead and double click on that to make sure we have a pen that we can use for a bold line. Size 8, slant 90, that allows us to have a very controllable pen. And let's go ahead and create a nice bold outline around our flower and pot. Now notice I still have my Symmetryy tool activated. So this allows me to draw everything very quickly, very efficiently, and very precisely. Now again, if you want to go ahead and draw your horizontal lines, once again, hold your Shift key down. If you want to go ahead and use your move and zoom tool, go back to the interface, select it, and move in. And what this will do is it'll allow you to have a better view of your pot. And once again, if you want to do a vertical line, hold down your Shift key, drag down, drag across, lift up on your Shift key to do the freehand angled line, press down your Shift key and drag your pen to the left to do your horizontal line, and then connect these two lines, doing a freehand line. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Now to complete the drawing, go ahead and go back up to the main menu line, deactivate Symmetryy, and there you have it. To close, the Symmetryy tool allows you to draw mirrored objects with the ability to add freehand sketch details. In a later lesson, we'll add color to this line drawing.